Hey guys, Joe Urbanski here at MarineMax Rogers in Minnesota. Today we're going to be going through the 250 Crowne from Harris Pontoons. Now that we're inside, I'm going to show you guys a couple of my favorite things inside the boat. Starting with the rear loungers. They're actually both power, allowing you to swing the seats back or forward, giving you the option to sit backwards or forwards, depending on where the action's at. Moving in a little bit, another thing that I like is they offer a second captain seat that's actually a jump seat. Just a little click. You've got a second captain's chair, allowing you to sit with the driver and cruise along. My favorite thing about this boat is the tower is actually functional. It'll turn into a windshield.